Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. I hope everyone is doing well. I am out here on this beautiful Tuesday. It was just so beautiful, you guys. I decided I wanted to just actually sit on my deck and just look at everything, but I said, well, it's a beautiful day. Why wait to get these seeds sold? Okay, you guys, so you remember, and if you haven't seen that video, I will do my best to link it. But this is my DIY that I did last year on how to turn your refrigerator into a elevated raised bed, and I decided to sow some more melons in this raised bed. So I will go through each melon and show you guys the variety that I am growing this season. And I sowed 6 different ones in this raised bed, and here is one melon called Nordest Gomes, and here's another melon called Petit Gres de Rennes, and this is my first time growing these. And then we have another melon over here, Kiku Christanium, and then melon Kajari, and then we'll move on down, and I will give you guys, I'll pan around so you guys can see my refrigerator raised bed. And over here we have the Minnesota midget, and then over here we have the melon honeydew tam tam, and I am definitely familiar with that one and this one, but these other 4 are new to me and tasting and growing, so I look forward to the other 4 variety that is here. So what I wanted to do also is step back so you guys can see my elevated refrigerator raised bed. And I didn't get to adding any more of the ladder mesh on here, so I can use 2 more in this area so I have more support. So I may just head to Home Depot where they carry them in my town over from me, which is about 45-minute drive. We do not carry them in my Lowe's, so I do have to go all the way to Home Depot to get them. But like I said, I could use like 2 more for support. So I will definitely I'll back up and show you what it's looking like again. So I am super excited about growing in it this season. As you can see, I did raise the soil up. I added some more mulch, some more of my free mulch in here to bring it up some more, because I think I could have used a lot more last year. So I brought the soil up some more, so hopefully everything in here will germinate real nicely and grow nicely. I did top it off with some amendments, y'all know, compost, blood meal, bone meal, and azomite. And as these seeds begin to germinate, I'll top this off with some slow release fertilizer and also some worm castings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of my raised bed, my refrigerator raised bed, and I hope that this area will be a big success this summer. I'm looking forward to harvesting everything that grows in here. So again, I hope everyone is doing well. I know everybody is out there sowing their seeds. The weather is somewhat trying to break. We are still dealing with some coldness at night. So hopefully the cold will wrap it up real soon, because I've been definitely sowing seeds, trying to catch the rainfalls. A lot of my seeds are germinating. So what I'm going to do with this bed is actually water it in, and hopefully we'll get a nice downpour of rain again this week and hopefully next week. But right now everything is looking really nice in the yard. Things are waking up. It looks beautiful out here. So I am super duper excited about this growing season. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all leave me a comment. Let me know what kind of melons that you guys are growing, whether it's the traditional big size watermelons as well as these kind of honeydew melons. Let me know what you guys is growing. Comment below and let me know. All right, you guys, this is Esikhomesteddah. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in.